Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will let to show you the way how to delete the bookmarks on your home screen. So the bookmarks is the shortcuts that I created to be displayed on the home screen, which are these two. I just created these bookmarks for a moment ago, and I would like to decide to delete this from my home screen. So deleting this automation or deleting the shortcuts or bookmarks in home screen is quite easy. If you want to stop the automation, you need to visit the shortcuts. But then if you want to remove this from home screen, you just need to go click the bookmarks that you want to remove, click and hold and wait until there will be a pop-up the option of this application or this bookmark, and after that you just need to go with delete the bookmarks. Now you just need to confirm that you want to delete the bookmarks. It won't delete the data on your Google Sheets though, it's just removing this from the home screen. So again, if you want to delete them, you just need to go click and delete bookmark and go click delete. If you want to check the document is still there or not, you just need to go back and you'll see the document is still here. So that's the way guys how to delete the bookmarks on the home screen. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.